In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable links or hyperlinks in Canva. Launch the Canva app. Open your resume or design on which you want to add your link. Click on Open in New tab from the top menu. Suppose this is my resume and here I want to add my link. To add a link, click on the text. Click on the three-dot menu. Click on Link. Type the website link that you want to show after clicking. For example, let's pick Google. Click on Done. To save the design, click on Share. Click on Download. Make sure that the file type is PDF standard. Click on Download again. After downloading, open the PDF. Click on the text that contains your link. You can see that the text has taken us to Google's website. That means you have successfully added a link to your resume or design using Canva.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.